Hi, I'm Chris Miller. I'm the brand manager at Power Stop Brakes, and we're out here at the Bondurant Racing School with the winners of the 2017 Gridlife track battle season. They're out here to sharpen their skills before the 2018 season starts.
I'm Charles Miller, and I took first place in the street class in Gridlife track battle last year. As a result, I am here in Phoenix, Arizona at the Bondurant Racing School.
Hi, Graham Gaylord. I took first place in Street Modified in the 2017 Gridlife Time Attack Series. I mean, this is amazing. This is an extremely valuable driving school. I mean, arguably the best one in the nation. People spend a lot of money to come do this. So to me, being a driver, this is amazing.
My name is Will Parker. I'm a driving instructor here at the Bondurant School. Been here for 22 years. Bondurant is a premier driving school. We teach from high performance driving to road racing to advanced road racing to just corporate events. So you can come out here, have a little bit of fun or a lot of fun.
You know, you're in an environment with a bunch of people who are way more skilled than you are, who are specifically here to teach you. The goal is to sit here, be a sponge, and pick up as much as I can.
My name's Sean Fenton. I work at Gridlife, and we're here at Bondurant Racing School to learn how to race car. That's the term, right? It's a lot of horsepower. It's way more car than I've ever driven, and I've never even really driven much stick in my life. So I'm pretty much like the litmus test for how effective the school can be for our group, because I'm like an unmolded ball of clay. Like, I've got no bad habits to break, is how I like to think of it. Well, I feel really lucky to be here, but it's also a bit intimidating because these guys that we're with that have won the Gridlife Time Attack, they're pretty competitive. It's like borderline is as competitive and friendly you could possibly be, but like they know that line really well. And that transfers into this course, and it transfers onto the track as well. They're pushing each other to the limit, yeah.
Hi, my name is James Houghton. I was the winner in the 2017 Gridlife Track Battle Championship in the Unlimited class.
Hi, I'm Tony Fuentes. We competed in the Gridlife.
Sounded very Spanish when you said Fuentes. Like very like...
We started off with like a lot of basic exercises, heel toe, trail braking, really learn how to use the weight of the car, how it transfers, how everything works together.
It's just basics of getting to know these cars, these like super big horsepower Dodge. What are these things?
Let's see, we probably have almost 40 Hellcats out here.
I think these cars are a really great teaching tool. We're used to driving fairly light cars with a lot of tire, and now we're driving fairly heavy cars with not that much tire for their weight. So we're driving like 4,400 pound cars with 285 street tires on a very tight technical track with a lot of power, and it really, really treats you to have to drive clean.
Our main focus and goal to get out of this whole class was just reuse stuff we've learned that you might forget. It's great for someone trying to explain what you might have forgotten and how things really work, being that we use a lot of time attack cars that are built for racing. It's really nice to see huge weight transfers on these cars, being that they are 4,400 pounds. So you really need to work and use the technique to get these cars around the track safely.
My goal for this week is to go home a much better driver than I arrived here, so.
So this year in Gridlife, I want to go a lot faster, and I really think the skills I'm learning out here at Bondurant are going to help with that.
So my goal of the week is to turn a faster lap on this track. No, I'm just kidding.
No, I don't want to try and beat Tony. I want to try and just improve myself, because there's no way.
Out here on the skid pad, our guys are learning about oversteer and understeer with a car designed to induce those things. It has a hydraulic platform that raises the front or the back of the car to induce understeer or oversteer.
They put us in these goofy skid cars over here that they can lift and raise the front end and make it understeer or oversteer, basically just like a drift machine with hydraulic wheels on the outside. Pretty crazy. So that was entertaining and kind of fun.
This is not even remotely fun. We're not having fun. This is the worst fun I've ever had.
Okay. So these guys are out here turning laps in these 700 horsepower Hellcats, and that's one of the best parts about coming to Bondurant. You learn in the classroom, you get a little bit of time on track with the instructor, and then they let you have a day to lap and to hone your craft. Take your braking points, your shifting points, your turn-in points. They really let you become comfortable on the track, and that all leads up to tomorrow in the Formula cars.
Everyone is just doing open lapping, practicing the line. We're definitely going to try to play with James a little bit. He's getting started with the instructor, but we will follow him to get some video and see his outstanding race line.
It's an incredible exercise in your mind to keep everything, like what you're learning, what you're remembering to do, and also with your body, because like you're getting thrown around in these cars and they're fast.
I've been able to sit there and watch Sean firsthand improve. It's seeing his lines improve, seeing his braking improve, seeing all of it.
Man, like so fast. So fast, buddy.
The Power Stop sponsors these cars with the pads, and their track day pads have been tested on these cars out here, and they're amazing. I mean, we thrash these cars, and they're heavy. They pick up a lot of speed really easily, and they're doing amazing. I've had no issues with brakes out here.
17.7, 17.9, 2/10, which is amazing the way it started.
That's like, it wasn't 2/10 earlier.
No.
We've all became friends over the season anyway, so coming out here and playing around together,
go?
it's fun, it's a little bit competitive, it's definitely very silly, and it's a good time. It's a good time to spend together.
The question regarding being who's faster, this was not an exercise to be who's faster, it's about a learning experience. He's getting a little scared. His ego got deflated because we're in equal cars and he's not faster. You know, regardless if I'm faster or he's faster, it's who takes the most out of the event. And I quote, he is not faster.
We absolutely have a tendency to be competitive. It's just, it's in our blood.
How could I overdrive when you're blocking me the whole time? 30 laps or something that's blocking me.
What's that bird?
Don't chase the subject.
The final day here at Bondurant is in these Formula cars. This is the culmination of everything they've learned. They've been in the Hellcats out on track, learning the track, learning the techniques. Now they're going to bring it to a real race car. These cars are light, they're on slicks, they have aero, and they're fast.
Just kind of a good rule of thumb is 2 laps for warm-up.
It'll be my first time in a car with a major amount of aero, first time in a car that's open wheel, first time in a car on slick. So I am very much excited.
I only have experience with open wheels on oval tracks. I've never experienced it in this sort of scenario, and always the oval tracks I ran were high banked, whereas these cars won't have quite as much tire for their weight, and a very tight track, so you're going to have to keep it clean out there. Tony, have you ever driven any open wheel cars before?
Nope.
Big go-karts. Should be fun.
It's a 13B with a carb, so you guys point those at the back of them all the time because there will always be fire.
By the time of the end of the day yesterday with the Hellcat, I was like, I got this Hellcat thing down. But now these are like a quarter of the weight of those cars, and there are engines in the rear, so it's like backwards as far as turning and braking. So I'm having to kind of relearn a little bit. But every day I've started like a little bit apprehensive and nervous about like, oh man, thinking about the things I have to remember. But even after this morning's first run through, I know my line, I know the braking, I've got the line correct. Now it's just a matter of me pushing it and concentrating on my shifting.
At the end there, just the cool down lap, I'm like, oh, I'm just gonna play around a little bit. And I was like, oh, it's kind of fun just playing around a little bit.
At the end of the deal, we'll have a graduation talking about what they've learned. You have each of them kind of talk about 2 or 3 things that they didn't expect that they would understand or overcome or even get around to doing. There's a diploma, there's a grade card, there's some cool stuff, and everybody wants to take photos, things like that.
Well, that just about does it for us here at the Bondurant Racing School. Hopefully our guys can take what they learned here in the last 4 days and apply it to Gridlife Round 1 But until then, from all of us at Power Stop, the Gridlife team, and the team here at the Bondurant Racing School, thanks for watching, and we'll see you at Mid-Ohio.